Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I use coffee stirrers to make this really beautiful glam wall mirror. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the Dollar Tree charger plates, some of the coffee stirrers, one round mirror, some Mod Podge glitter and a sponge brush, my Rust-Oleum silver spray paint, some acrylic gems, my hot glue gun and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was flip my charger plate over, and then I used my hot glue to attach some of the coffee stirrers to the back of my charger plate. As you can see, I continued adding coffee stirrers until my charger plate was completely covered. Next, I used my crafting toothbrush to remove some of the glue strings. I didn't spend a lot of time here. As you'll see, you won't be able to see any of this when we're done with this project. Next, I added a second layer of the coffee stirrers to my design. I then cut my coffee stirrers in half and added a third row of the coffee stirrers to my design. Next, I again cleared away as many of my glue strings as possible, and then I took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it a good coat of my Rust-Oleum silver metallic spray paint. Next, I mixed my Mod Podge and a small amount of my glitter together, and I added that mixture on top of my design. I did this for 3 reasons. One, to add the glitter sparkle to my design, as well as to protect my spray paint. And also, the glue, once it dries, will definitely help to harden my straws and will help with the overall stability of my project. I let my Mod Podge dry for about 20 minutes, and then I used my hot glue to add the mirror that I removed from its frame to the center of my design. Next, I used my hot glue to attach my clear acrylic gems to my design. To complete the project, I cleared away my glue strings, cleaned my mirror, added 2 large command strips to the back to hang my design, and here was my finished look. I think that this mirror turned out beautiful, and no one would guess that I made it with coffee stirrers. I love this design so much that I also made the same mirror in gold. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.